There's a formula every top performer follows, but nobody talks about it. 3 numbers. That's it. 3 priorities. 2 hours of deep work. 1 rule. No distractions. That's how they win. Not with luck. Not with talent. With math. Because success isn't random. It's structured. Most people wake up and start reacting. Messages, notifications, noise. But the best? They engineer focus. They measure it. 3 priorities. Because more than 3 means none. Each morning, they choose the 3 actions that actually move their life forward. Not tasks, not busy work. Impact moves. 2 hours. Because that's the window when your brain runs at peak focus before fatigue hits. No phone, no music, no chaos. Just silence and full immersion. Those 2 hours compound every day. 1 rule, because everything falls apart without it. No distractions, no switching tabs, no multitasking. The moment your attention splits, progress resets. 1 rule protects it. 3-2-1. That's the system. Simple, brutal, effective. You don't need a perfect schedule. You don't need motivation. You need precision. Every number is a boundary between the person who reacts and the one who leads. 3 things that matter. 2 hours that build momentum. 1 rule that keeps it pure. Try it tomorrow. Don't overthink. Just set the numbers and start. Watch how the day bends around your focus instead of breaking it. Top performers don't chase time. They design it. 3 priorities, 2 hours, 1 rule. The rest is noise.